and gentlemen, this is SRS Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2021 Toyota RAV4. As you can see, let me start the engine. The other fault code, we have the pre-collision fault code, the PSM, and we have the airbag. Today I'm concentrating on the airbag fault, trying to resolve the airbag fault. So we're going to scan the car and look at the error code, the cause of this error code, and check. Let's see. Code. Okay, so we have the engine fault code, the combination meter, radar cruise control, the stop start, the main body. So let us do report and see what we have. Lost communication with quick control module missing. Driver side grip circuit open. This grip dual state circuit open. Cutting shield airbag. Cutting shield airbag left, right. Knee airbag. Grip circuit open. So all these are the. So we have both history and current. Okay, combination meter. Lost communication with image processing. All these. Okay, stop start also lost communication with image processing module. So that being said and done, let's go. Let's go to the airbag system and see. Let's check some live data. Passenger classification, child. White child. Okay. This has a left side buckle switch on set. right side buckle switch on set. So let me try and set. Let me set this and see. Okay, that one actually set. Set. I'm going to do the same for the driver's side buckle switch. This here. So let's see. This is on set now. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, left side buckle switch set. Okay, display type left, right. Number of passengers, number of parts DTC 8. Driver seat position backwards. Okay, let me adjust it forward and see. Oh, okay. It's saying forward, so you can actually tell the position backwards. Still backwards. So you only have two options. Okay. So I'm sliding up and down, and so passenger seat since child, and there's nobody on the passenger seat. Okay. So let's see. And what I will do, I will move to the passenger side. Let me see. Okay, I'm in the passenger side and passenger classification AM50. Okay. So let's go back. Let's see what we have under special functions. Okay, signal check. This is used to test each sensor malfunction. Please let me move forward to the driver's side. So let us see. Let us check. This function will set the TTC for the system that is selected. The TTC will be erased if normal operating conditions are confirmed. Note, the TS terminal on the DSC connector will be grounded during this test. Select the desired function. Okay. One signal check, all signal check. Okay, we're going to next. Some vehicle needs to run engines to be successful. So run the engine test. Well, the signal will not check. Press next. Signal check. Tells me the driver's side grip is open, the dual stage, the curtain, the knee airbag, the protection circuit is open, and the selectable force meter. Okay, let's clear it and see. So this didn't help much. Live data didn't help much. Trouble codes didn't help much. Okay, so I will take a look at each of the airbag circuits. So I want to shut down the car now. Then I have just opened this and discover there's no airbag here. There's no airbag on this side. I will still try and do the same for this side and confirm if there's airbag. I will go and check the other side and see if there is airbag. Oh no. Yeah, my guess is right. There's no airbag here. The side cutting airbag too. The side cutting airbag is not there as well. It's not there as well. Let me use the opportunity to check the driver's side. The cutting airbag too. It's not here as well. So what is left is this, and I will also open here up to confirm if there's airbag there. Okay. So we are going to take a look at this. I've not been able to remove this entirely, but I've removed this. I want to take a look at the bag on the inside. This one has the airbag, but this is disconnected. I don't think it was disconnected when I was moving this because it's not connected to this part. The airbag is connected here, but I'll remove the entire airbag assembly. And like here it was broken. They mended here. And let's lose it entirely and see. So start taking it out. You can see the airbag is there. This was not connected. Don't know why it wasn't connected, but I will connect it back. Then and that this one has been taken care of. It's either they changed this airbag because this connector just simply couldn't fit. So that they replaced the airbag, but the connectors, the one they replaced it with, not okay. Yeah, this car was involved in an accident before the body work was done. Yeah, maybe they didn't replace those two airbags, but this one that they tried to replace, so that the connector is broken or just couldn't fit. Tried. Also notice, you can see here was damage. You can also look at this side where the work on the, you can see the damage was done before it was broken. The same thing with all the sides. You can see damages. You see where they gummed it with super glue. I'll assemble it back.